Hello everyone, it's Dale here with a new trading analysis. Today I would like to do a long-term analysis of Tesla. So what you see before you is TradingView platform. This is a daily chart of Tesla stock, and I'm looking at this support, which I marked here. It is at 185, and it is based on a volume profile trend setup, which you can see in here. This is a strong uptrend, and within the uptrend there's a significant volume zone in here. So this volume bump is telling us that buyers were adding to their long positions as they were pushing the price upwards, and now the price is slowly getting back towards that support, towards that heavy volume zone. So chances are that when there's a pullback, there'll be a reaction as the buyers from this zone will want to defend this place, as it is clearly important for them because they placed a lot of their long positions here, and I think that they'll push the price upwards from there again. Now, it's not just this setup, but if you look a little bit in the history, then you can see that this heavy volume zone is actually the heaviest volume peak since like 2 or 3 years. You see, this is the heavy volume zone. It's our level. So even in history, this has been a strong level for the markets to trade around. And now the price is approaching that level. So this increases the chance of a successful reaction. So those are the volume profile reasons why I like this support. Now there's also a price action setup that points to this level, and it is the ABCD setup. I don't know if you guys heard about it. There's a video on my website where I talk about it, so you can check it out, or you can read about the setup in my volume profile book, which is free on my website. Let me just use the Fibo tool like this, measure distance from this point, I'll call it the point A, to this swing point, which is point B. So I'm taking two significant swing points, this one and this one. Then I'm moving the Fibo to the next swing point, which is this one. And the Fibo will be the same. That's the trick, you don't change it, you just move it like this. It will be anchored to this place, which is the point C. So we have point A, point B, then the price goes back to point C, and then this marks the level D where the price should turn. And as you can see, it's very close to our volume-based level, right? Which is in here. So that adds strength to our level, and that's why I think chances are that the price will react there. By the way, you can also use the ABCD like this. Go from here to here, so this is the A, this is the B, then this right there will be the point C. So you take the Fibo again, measure the distance, and now it points to this level. Also very close to our support, which is here. Alright, so we have the ABCD setup twice, this being the D. First it's starting in here, then the second one was starting in here. In both cases it's pointing us to this level. The price is moving in nice wave-like patterns, and chances are that there'll be a reaction. Alright, remember this is a long-term trade, so you need to place your stop loss and take profit accordingly. Ideally, the stop loss would go below this swing point, and take profit at least with risk-reward ratio 1. Right now it's hard to tell exactly where to place it, because I would prefer placing it using volume profile, but the price hasn't reached the entry zone yet. So right now it's hard to tell. It should be definitely traded with a risk-reward ratio at least 1. So if you place the stop loss in here, take profit should be at least in here. Risk-reward ratio at least 1. But I recommend going for bigger risk-reward ratio. Let me just use the volume profile and look at one little thing here. Yeah, this is what I wanted to see. So right now, if I'm looking only in this recent zone, recent area, and then if you placed the stop loss in here, then a volume-based take profit would be at the beginning of this heavy volume zone, so it would be in here. Roughly, this would be a risk-reward ratio, probably 1.5. Alright, so that's about that. That's about my take on Tesla. I hope you guys liked the video. If you would like to learn more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and if you click this button, then it will take you to a page where you can browse my education and trading indicators. In here, this is the Elite Pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading. Below that, there's the order flow pack, which focuses on day trading with order flow. And if you are interested in getting both, then in here, there is a combo pack, which includes the Elite Pack as well as the order flow pack. So that's about that. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. And until then, happy trading.